What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new tutorial / review on the newest palettes that Juvias Places dropped. These are their minis. They're 6-pan palettes. I really kind of like that they do these 6-pan palettes because, you know, it's not every day that you want to just do big palette. You know, sometimes you just want small palette. And so I love the fact that they have been coming out with these 6-pan palettes. It's a catered color theme, so it's geared to a certain color. So if you're somebody you just want greens, you just want this, well, they don't have every color yet, but you know, I think they're in the works of doing that. I hope they are. So I'm going to be doing a review on this. Also, I will be showing you guys swatches, and I will be doing a comparison to the Violets palette at the end of the video after we do the tutorial. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you're going to pick any of these up. Let me know if you are a Juvias Place collector, because I feel like I share with you guys. I want to know who else is just as crazy as I am and owns every single palette they have put out. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. I do post looks, tutorials, IGs, and I'm pretty active over there, you know, sure. But yes, let's go ahead and get started. The dumbest thing to do is to eat a bunch of Oreos before you have to film. Hopefully I don't have any remnant of it in my teeth, but yeah, let's get started. To prime, I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. Okay, so the eyes have been primed. Mother Nature decided to like F up my face. So these are 2 palettes. I wanna use both of them today. We're just gonna use both. One thing I do like about this palette is that it tells you which ones are eyeshadows, which ones are pressed pigments, and then which one is glitter. Both of these do have a pressed glitter in them. Starting off with the Nubian Glow palette, I'm gonna first go into this shade and then I'm gonna go into this shade. So we're gonna use both of these mattes from this palette. Alright, so that shade has been put on. It's kind of light. It's a light color. Next, I'm gonna go into that deeper orange shade and just place this right over it. Alright, so now I'm gonna jump into the Nubian Royal, and I wanna play with this purple so bad. So I'm gonna jump into this purple shade right here. And this one, I'm going to place it down. Yes! Juvias! Okay, let me stop. This is a pretty purple. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys. So let me even tell you what just happened. So I gym at Lifetime. If you know Lifetime, it's a little bit more on the pricier side, and today I finally went ahead and canceled my membership. I've been a member with them since 2015, and I canceled it. Really, it wasn't even because of COVID or the price. It honestly was. It's like a 20 to 25 minute drive from me, and when I lived in San Antonio, the location that I would go to was like perfect. It wasn't too far, but I just hated having to drive so far to go to the gym. So I've been having my account on hold actually since COVID, and I just went ahead and canceled it. I found another gym that's like right by me. Beautiful. It's a brand new facility. It just got built. Sorry, by the way, I am blending this out with this brush, the edges out. And then also, like, if you've ever like been to a Lifetime, like had a membership or a guest pass, they have so many amenities, and honestly, I just was not using them. Like, why is it turning like a dark purple? I just was not using all the amenities, like the dance classes that I love to go to. I only liked the instructor she was a friend of mine, the instructor at in San Antonio, and I just got so used to like the quality of her class and like her dances that nothing else compared. So I wasn't using that. I'd never used the indoor or outdoor swimming pool. Sometimes I would use the steam room, but not really. Didn't do the yoga class. I literally, all the stuff that made it the price it was, I did not use. I found myself just using machines, and I was like, if I'm just gonna use machines, I'm about to just go ahead and cancel this. So where I found is only $10 compared to the 80 something that I was paying a month at Lifetime, which I feel like when I finally have a family, I probably will go back to Lifetime, because it's more of like a club to me, you know? And, you know, with children and all that stuff, like, maybe when I'm older, I'll probably appreciate it more. I don't know. But right now, all I need is like a treadmill. And I have a treadmill at home now. Treadmill, Stairmaster, you know, leg press machine, couple of machines so, you know, I can lift weights. I don't have body weights at home. Or not body weights, sorry. I don't have weights at home. Free weights, sorry. That's what I meant to say, free weights. So, and then this gym is like 5 minutes from me, so it's perfect. Ooh, this is pretty. It's turning like a darker purple, and I'm assuming because of like the orange, but I want that to be blended out, but I still want it to be like this really pretty like purple, like oh, I love this color. This color is so pretty. I'm gonna go back into the Nubian Glow, right? That's what it's called. Yeah, the Nubian Glow, and I'm gonna go back into this orange shade, and I'm gonna make it a little bit higher because kind of got lost. The blending isn't what I want it to be, but I'm ready to go ahead and cut my crease because it's having that weird separation. Pretty much, I need more primer because it's not sticking. Yeah, so when you try to layer on too many mattes, you tend to have this tends to happen. So yeah, it's a little harsh right here, and like I'm trying to really blend this color out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and then I want to put that purple down again a little bit more, and then we're gonna get into the shimmers. The shimmers. Okay, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, the crease has been cut. The crease has been cut. The crease has been cut. Correct. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and place, I do want to put some more of that purple. I kind of want to put some more of that purple. We're gonna come back onto that. But first and foremost, I'm gonna go back into the Nubian Royal. I want to go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put this on the inner part of my, ooh. Okay, we're gonna put this right here. That is pretty. Next, I'm gonna go back into the Nubian Royal. I'm gonna go into this purple right here. Actually, I'm gonna put down a matte, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back into that, the purple that I have out in the outer crease, this purple right here, and I'm going to just place some more of this down. And then once I do this, I'm gonna go back and like start blending these colors into each other, because right now they look very just like, you know, placed. I really want to play with the pressed glitter in the palette. I'm gonna take this brush. I got this from Michaels, and then I'm gonna take this glitter adhesive from Anastasia. So I'm just gonna take my brush, I'm gonna get you nice and soaked in there, and I'm gonna just dip into the glitter. Okay, I like the way this glitter looks. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a wing on, put some lashes on, do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. We're gonna go over my thoughts on the palettes. We're gonna do some swatches, and also we're gonna do some comparisons to the violets. So yeah, I'll be back, you guys. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and let me just say I love it. I took that dark purple, this one right here, this purple, and I just put that all down on my lower lash line, put some black eyeliner and black mascara. And then for my lips today, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. This is Pillow Talk Intense 3. I have on the Juvias Place their lipstick in the shade Lady. This is probably the best color they came out with. Like, it is the perfect nude. Love it. And then the lip gloss that I'm wearing is by Makeup Revolution. This is their sheer lip gloss in the shade Darling. It looks just like the lipstick, but in a gloss version. And yes, like, look at this. Okay. I'm annoying. Okay, let's get into this. I mean, does Juvia's place ever disappoint? No, they always come through for your girl. So both of these palettes retail for $15. Are my hands ashy? Ain't that bad. Both these palettes retail for $15, and this is what this one looks like. You get 2 shimmers in here. You get, I believe, oh, I got a little cheat code back here. You get 2 shimmer eyeshadows. You get 3 pressed pigments and 1 glitter. And then in this palette, you get 5 regular eyeshadows and 1 glitter. So there's no pressed pigments in this palette. Let me go ahead and give you guys some swatches. All right, these are the swatches of the shadows. Now, I wanted to do some comparisons to the violets because, let's be honest, these 6-pan palettes have become really popular within Juvia's place, but they have been doing a certain color scheme. Like, we keep getting a lot of, you know, pinks, purples, neutrals, and I really, really believe that they're on the verge of giving us something blue and green. And Juvia's place, if you're ever watching this video, please, we will take it in blue, green, we take it in every color, like, please. But yes, let's go ahead and compare the two. So these are the 2 palettes. The violets, this is definitely more of a cooler tone palette. That purple runs way deeper than the purple here. This palette, okay. This palette is definitely more on the warmer side. So I think it's possible to own both these palettes. I wouldn't say, oh, a similar color, so you don't need this one, unless you really just only want one. This is where it's kind of up to you, like what type of colors do you see yourself using. I know a lot of people don't like pressed glitters, so that might take this one out the running. And I know this is a holiday set. I don't know if it's limited edition, but yes. And then if you do like more of a cooler tone, there's also this option. And then this palette only has 2 mattes. You get 3 in here. But these aren't too badly priced either way, so yeah. Also, this is random, but I noticed that the Walhalla palette from Juvia's Place and the Try palette are both back in stock on their website. I thought they were doing away with the Try because it was off their website, gone. And then the Walhalla palette was also another limited edition palette that they had this summer, but they are both back in stock. So if you were wanting those palettes, or you're a collector like myself and you don't have those, or whatever it may be, they're back in stock. I wish they would bring the Saharan 2 back because that's probably the best palette, the best color story that they ever put out, but it's gone for right now, at least, you know, hopefully they do bring it back. But yes, Juvia's Place, we would take this in a dark forest green, some khaki, some olives. I would take that color story, and I'll also take a blue one. What are the colors I need? I think you gave us enough pinks, you gave enough purples, we got the neutrals. They got us covered. What are the colors? Yellow. Yeah, I mean, I'll take a yellow. I'll take it any day. I'll buy anything I'll put out at this point. But yeah, I love the way the eye look came out. Love Juvia's Place eyeshadows. I love their formula. I own every single one of their palettes. I do have a Juvia's Place playlist, so if you want to see me go over like showing my palette collection, it hasn't been updated since June. Was it June that I did the video? It hasn't been updated since the summer, so like some of these mini palettes, you won't see them there, but I do have those. I'm gonna wait for more stuff to come out before I do another update, but that is something that I want to continue on my channel, is doing like a palette collection, but they're gonna come out with more palettes. I'd rather just wait till like more come out and then do another big one. But yes, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on the IG, on the gram, on the Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye. Oh, I was supposed to do both hands. Bye.